There's a lot of people through this community at one time, wasn't there?
Yeah, they was. Back, according to what my parents said, when they were growing up, the population was probably 2 or 3 times what it was when we were growing up.
As far as going over to Pottertown, we'd go over to see my aunt and uncle lived over there for a while. And then I like to walk across the gap of the mountain. I'd walk up across the gap and take my fishing pole and go down the other side and fish down the creek, a couple times. When I got old enough, Mom and Dad didn't care if we were doing it. It's a pretty good walk.
I'll never forget the first time I went to church. It's the first Sunday I was here. And Evelina's daddy, Mr. Lloyd Miller, got up in church. And he said, well, the Lord has blessed us with a lot of things, but he's blessed us with another piano player now. And I've played the piano about it ever since.
The daughter of Walter Weinberger, who was running the mill when I came along, when I was at the age where I'd be playing at the mill, his daughter Ann and I used to play a lot in the mill. We would go, it was just a neat place to be.
We walked to school, and one of the things I remember taking was cornbread and milk in like a jar, quart jar or pint jar or whatever, and we'd put that in the creek. There's a little branch or creek that run down out in front of the school, and you'd put your cornbread and milk in there and put a rock on it so it wouldn't wash away.
But the old road that went in here, this road right now is a super highway. When I grew up, it was a typical country road. When they lived over here, it was pretty much a path. So y'all want to go on down?